Let's go back into Marshalls to see what they have in for Halloween pieces. So they've started putting out Halloween pieces at Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all of them. So they have a lot of, just like Home Goods too, they had a lot of pillows, like a lot of cute pillows. Those pillows were like nice and plushy though. So in this one I thought was just, it's like super cute. Like it has like the little wine glass in it, and then it has like the little stitch detailing, and then if you can see it, it has like a little sparkle. And that one was only $20. Usually the pillows are around like 20 and up, but usually like some of them are like 30 something. But $20, I thought that was good for that one right there. They have a lot of little double set ones, which I think are cute because then you can like pair them together. The Halloween candles are so stinking cute. They had a lot of cute options to pick for Halloween candles at Marshalls, and like different styles. They had like the camping one, they had like the classic one with the skeleton in the tub. They had like cute pink ones that you can pick. They had like just regular candles too that you can pick at Marshalls. Just a lot of cute candles. I think a cute candle is a way to. The only thing is, I wouldn't want to light it because then that would melt down the ghost, like the little things and stuff. But just really cute candles, especially if you like to do like little setups. I think that would look cute, like in like a little setup. Like if you have like a shelf that you do like the decor and stuff like that, like a cute candle with some other things around it might look really cute. They had like some nice big pieces too. So this right here, but this was like the only one that was cracked. So I think that's a crack. I don't know. I don't think that's part of the design. I think that's a crack. But it's like a cute one to put like outside on your patio or something like that. But now I'm wondering like how fragile it is, or did somebody just like, drop the box itself and it cracked. These were a good size too, so like nice and big, like for outdoors to make like a little garland, like especially if you have like some like nice trees and stuff in your yard to set up, or maybe like from your front patio, like on your porch. Like if you have like a covered porch, you can hang it like maybe from the top. This right here I thought was cute with the details and stuff in it. $30 for this, and then it has like the little details up top. Just a lot of cute pieces. Those little pieces back there, the little ghosts, little plushy things, just a ton of cute Halloween things at Marshalls. Like I said, Marshalls, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, they're all putting out their Halloween stuff right now. So it's like full Samhain in swing. But the little cute pink ones, like, do you see how that goes together? Like that little bat with the little pink pieces. I think that will look so cute. I know a lot of people don't like pink Halloween. Like, to me, I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I'm not stuck like on the traditional colors and different things for Halloween. I just like the decor to look really nice. Like I like a nice yard setup. I like a cute porch, a cute Halloween drink cart. Like I love it all. So it doesn't matter to me what color it is. As long as it goes with your theme that you're going for, I think it is super cute. But they had like a lot of cute little sets that you can put up. They had, like I said, and like the big pieces, like these are just cute to like sit on a chair, or like imagine if you had like shelving space like that where you can have it like sitting in those like long legs hanging out. They had like the Halloween tumblers out. The pink one I thought was so cute with the little witch hats on it. I thought that was so cute. So it's like giving that like coquette style, but still Halloween. So you can get a mix. They had some Hello Kitty pieces and coasters. I always think a cute coaster is nice. They had those, and then they had like a ghost one, which I think will go cute with that. I don't know if you saw the ghost board that we saw for at Home Goods for Halloween. I think that was cute. They had soap dispensers, all kinds of different things. A lot of these things they did have out last Halloween, but yeah, they have them out like this one. This is not Halloween, but I love a good like Slurpee slushy type thing, and this one was on sale, so $64 for that. And then it kind of gives like that like you got your own little setup. Like imagine you have a movie room or something like that, and you can make like the things. That'd be super cute. But like I said, a lot of cute little Halloween pieces. Those were cute. Just the colors, nice and pretty. And then, like I said, something that would be cute. Like imagine doing like a little Candyland type Halloween thing, and then having like those pretty color pieces and stuff like that. That might be cute. That right there, $20. Like you could, the prices are generally the same for a lot of this stuff. The tote bags, I thought the Halloween tote bags were cute too, so, and not too much for those either. So $6 for that one right there. This one right here at the bottom, I thought the colors on that was nice, like the pink strap, and then you can, it brings out kind of like the pink details, and the ghosts like the shoes and stuff like that. And it was like $7, so that is not bad at all. A lot of the just like simple signage that you can put around. They're not like lit up or anything like that. It's just simple signage. They might have some lit up options, but just most of them that they did have out didn't have lighting, but they did have like a few here and there that you can get that'll have like that little LED light and that give that like a little glow to it, which I also think is cute like at nighttime. But you can do either or. I'm not sure. Those look like those could glow in the dark too, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, they had a lot of cute pieces, and then the character pieces too. So they had some cute character pieces at Marshall's for Halloween. So they had like Hello Kitty, they had Mickey, they had Jack Skeleton, and like I said, some cute light up things that you can grab. So it doesn't look that bright in the light because the store is like well lit, but like imagine it at nighttime. That'll look really cute. That'll look like really nice and like glowy. This right here, I would love to do one year a Disney Halloween theme. Like I would like to do a Disney Halloween theme. We went to Mickey's Scary Halloween and Disney, and this like the whole theme just is so cute. But they had those pieces, like I said, the Hello Kitty, she's super cute and a nice size too. So if you like a character piece, like probably I would go now to get like the character ones, like if you want to do a character thing, because I'm not sure they'll be there like, you know, closer to Halloween. But they had, like I said, a few Hello Kitty pieces, some Disney pieces. The little mirror pieces are cute. The little knickknacks are cute to like put around if you're looking for some of those. The little mirror pieces I think are cute because they had some other ones too at Home Goods, but you can like go so many different ways with those, which I think is really nice. Classic ghost style pieces at Marshall's for Halloween. Just a bunch of cute little options, and these light up too, so like it'll glow through the eyes, which I think is super cute. So definitely check out Marshall's and see what they have for Halloween.